Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export Microsoft Publisher document as a PDF document. So you can say just randomly drawing something, or drawing something to see it good, and after that I want to get this document as a PDF. Okay, so what you need to do, simply click here, file, and you can see export. Okay, simply click on the export, and you can see create in the first one, and then select here create PDF and EPS, and you have to choose the direction. So I just want to, you can set your location or destination, and after that simply click published. So you can see now it's the PDF. You can see PDF. So it's really easy, friend. Okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.